Parallel parking can be a challenging task for many drivers, but with the right technique and practice, anyone can master this skill. In this video, we will provide you with a step-by-step instructions on how to parallel park like a pro. So, if you're ready to conquer parallel parking and impress your friends and family, welcome to our video on how to parallel park like a pro. Let's get started! Step 1. Find a suitable parking space. The first step in parallel parking is to find a suitable parking space. Look for a spot that is at least 6 feet longer than your vehicle and provides enough space in front and behind the parking spot. Signal your intention to park by turning on your blinker. Step 2. Align your vehicle with the car parked in front. Line up your vehicle with the car parked in front of the parking spot you want to use. Ensure that there is enough space between your vehicle and the car in front of you. Use your side mirrors to align your vehicle with the car in front. Step 3. Begin to reverse. Slowly start to reverse your vehicle, keeping an eye on the space behind you and the car in front of you. Turn your steering wheel all the way to the right and continue reversing until your vehicle is at a 45-degree angle to the curb. Step 4. Straighten out. Once your vehicle is at a 45-degree angle, start to straighten out your steering wheel by turning it to the left. Keep reversing until the rear of your car is level with the rear bumper of the car is in front of you. Step 5. Turn the wheel. Once you are in position, turn your steering wheel all the way to the right and continue reversing slowly. Your vehicle should start to move into the parking space. Keep an eye on the front and rear of your vehicle and adjust as necessary. Step 6. Straighten out again. When your vehicle is about halfway into the parking space, start to straighten out your steering wheel by turning it to the left. Keep reversing until your vehicle is parallel to the curb and centered in the parking space. Step 7. Adjust your position. Once your vehicle is parked, adjust your position as necessary by moving forward or backward. Make sure your vehicle is centered in the parking space and that you are not too close to the car in front or behind you. Step 8. Finish up. Once you are happy with your position, shift your vehicle into park. Turn off the engine and apply the handbrake. Check your surroundings and make sure you have not left anything in the car before locking it up. Tips for parallel parking. Practice, practice, practice. The more you parallel park, the better you will become. Use your mirrors to help you align your vehicle with the car in front of the parking spot. Take your time and be patient. Rushing can lead to accidents and mistakes. Use your handbrake to hold your vehicle in place while you adjust your position. Be aware of your surroundings and watch out for pedestrians and other cars. Always check your blind spots before reversing. Don't be afraid to ask for help. If you are struggling to parallel park, ask a passenger or a passerby to guide you into the parking space. So parallel parking can be a daunting task, but with practice and patience, anyone can become a pro at it. Remember to take your time, use your mirrors, and be aware of your surroundings. With these tips, you'll be parallel parking like a pro in no time. We hope this video has been helpful in providing you with tips on how to parallel park like a pro. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep practicing and honing your skills. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.